Hi guys, how are you? If you are new here, my name is Moli and welcome to my channel. So if you don't know, I am continuing a series which is for winter special skincare and hair care series. In this series, I'm suggesting you all the products that you need to sustain this winter season. So if you are interested today, what I'm gonna suggest you for your hair care routine, then please keep on watching. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna suggest you some hair oil, hair shampoo, hair mask and hair serum, because whatever I'm going to suggest you, I have tried by my own and currently I am trying it. Okay, I'm literally trying it. So I don't experiment with my hair a lot because my hair type is little bit dry, so I don't do a lot with my hair because my hair fall is also insane. Alright guys, so first off, I'm gonna suggest you a hair oil because the benefit of hair oil is irreplaceable guys. Whether you are using a serum or onion serum or lots of serums out there in market right now, available in market, but I think the benefits of oil is totally irreplaceable and it is not debatable at all. So currently I am using this Urban Botanics Nature Care olive oil. This is totally 100% pure cold pressed olive oil. It has lots of ingredients like vitamin E and whatnot. Love this one. This is little bit pricey. I won't say this is so inexpensive, go for it, but it is a little bit pricey in terms of if I compare this olive oil with other oils, but literally loving this one. So basically what I do with this oil, that I apply this oil all over on my scalp and also on the strands, and after that I leave it for overnight, and after that I wash it off with any type of sulfate free mild shampoo. I don't use a shampoo which has a lot of sulfate because that makes your scalp super duper dry and flaky, but honestly already I have a very dry scalp, so I don't need additional dryness on my hair. For shampoo, I have two options for you currently that I am using currently. So the first one is this Coarse Proof Bonacure Keratin Smooth Shampoo. I am loving this one. As you can see, I am almost finished this much because I have used only 4 times, yes, and I have given a depth review of this in this product as well, so you can check that one out too. I will leave a link for you in the bottom part. I feel if you have a very dry scalp, you can use this one. It smoothens your hair very nicely and also gives that extra shine which your actual hair needs. Again, it's a pricey one, it's not an affordable one, so if you are interested to go for a shampoo which is actually mild, sulfate free and gives a very smooth finish to your hair, you might want to check out the Coarse Proof one. Now when it comes to shampoo, I cannot stop recommending you this L'Oreal Extensio Care shampoo. I have finished bottles and bottles of this product. This is again an expensive product but totally worth it. It keeps your hair smooth, straight. Love this one. You don't need any additional blow dry after using this, so literally love this one. If you are someone who deals with lots of curls or waves and you need that straight finish, you can try this one out. Now let's move on to hair mask and hair spa. And when it comes to hair mask, recently I'm using this the Body Avenue Onion hair mask, and when it comes to onion, you know that onion does a lot for our hair, so this one is a very good one. It is a little bit runny consistency, so it does not have a lot of chemical, which is an amazing thing. It has beautiful products like aqua, glycerin, onion extracts, which is amazing for your hair. This is an inexpensive product, okay, this is a very inexpensive product, and you can invest in such onion hair mask. If you are not that much into DIY mask, you can invest in such mask. This mask is amazing, that's why I'm recommending you. When it comes to hair spa, I think all of you know that I love using this L'Oreal hair spa. This is again irreplaceable with any hair spa out there in market, I can bet you, okay. This is an amazing spa. I think I bought this from Amazon. When the first bottle I bought, I found that that was fake, okay. After that, I again purchased from Amazon Fulfilled, and that time I got the original one. And recently I'm using this, and I have used it bottles of it, I must say, because this is my third bottle and I have a long hair, so you can say that it runs almost 5 to 6 times for my hair. So literally love this one, guys. Again, irreplaceable product. I have used a lot of hair spa from different brands, but I never found the benefit that I got from this one. Alright, so this was my recommendation of hair care products that you should use in this winter season, and do let me know if you are already using some of them in your hair care routine, and also do let me know in the comment section if you are using any other hair care routines in this winter season, and if that is giving you lots and lots of benefits. I would love to know that. When it comes to hair care, I become a little bit numb because my hair fall is insane, as I have told you, because of my hormonal issue. It's not because of using a lots of product, because I don't experiment a lot with my hair. And also do let me know how my makeup is looking today, because I have never experimented with red in my life. So I have experimented today and I don't know how it actually turned out, because I was little bit confused. Yeah, I was. Okay, do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And if you are new here, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also with the notification bell icon. And I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Take care.